Meaning of incomparably.
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 Incomparably. The word incomparably is an adverb that means something cannot be compared to anything else in terms of its quality or degree. When something is described as incomparably good or bad, it means that it is so exceptional or extreme that it surpasses any other similar thing. For example, if someone said that a particular singer was incomparably talented, it suggests that they are far superior to any other singer. Similarly, if someone referred to a film as incomparably bad, it would imply that it was the worst film ever made.